Ladies and gentlemen, sanibingelela futhi namhlanje ku-episode yethu elandelayo. We are transmitting from Sun Coast International Casino eThekwini eGagasini eDurban. My name is Themba Zulu from Osaziwayo. We are here with Media Talk Class TV. We are here to cover the South African Traditional Music Awards that is currently happening here in Durban, eThekwini, South Africa. So sixoxisana nosaziwayo bethu bala ekhaya. We're going to be talking to some of our biggest stars that we have here in the country. We're going to be talking to them in the red carpet, and we are also going to be having some few interviews with some of the winners that are going to be scooping some awards tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned to our channel. It's going to be an epic and an awesome night. The name is Themba Zulu. Siyabonga. Sifikile sigalelekile akadinge introduction kodwa uyazini ngicela ukuthi ngibanikeze ithuba basho bona ngowabo umlomo ngoba abantu angeke baze bangikholwe if ngingasho mina ngicela ukuthi nisintroduce la ku Media Talk Class TV ekhasini lethu.
Ngonomcebo wakaMthembu.
Siyabonga.
Hayi mina ngucebo ngamthemba abaningi bangazi ngo-Detective Nyawo insingize ekhala ekseni ikhala emini ikhala entsambama badlabatheke.
Awuzwa-ke ngisacela ukuthi nje ke nisitshele ukuthi nizizwa ninjani ukuthi nibe ingxenye yalomcimbi omkhulu kangaka ohlanganisa amasiko ahlukahlukene eSouth Africa. Kusho ukuthini lokho kini njengabantu nani bala ekhaya eMzansi Afrika?
Mina nje ngingasho ukuthi njengamanje nje ngizizwa ngiyisupercalifragilisticexpialidocious ukuthi ngibe la namhlanje nokubona nje abantu bejabulela isintu sethu kumnandi kakhulu kuyasho ukuthi ngempela singama-Afrika siyaphambili. So ngaphakathi ngiyacabanga ukuthi noma sesingene ngaphakathi i-ecstasy ne-euphoria izoyibuza kuthini wonke umuntu uzobe nejoie de vivre ngaphakathi.
Siyeza sizokhuluma leyo zankosi. Ngisacela ukubuza ukuthi wena uzizwa kanjani ukuthi ube ingxenye lomcimbi lo, and is there any specific performance that you're looking forward to seeing tonight?
Ngizizwa nje ngijabule kakhulu. Mina ke performance engilindele kakhulu hopefully ikhona kaCothosa.
Awuzwake.
Yeah, ngithanda isicathamiya nje kakhulu.
Oh okay, wow, uthanda isicathamiya. Yini chaza ngesicathamia, maybe to school some few people there.
Chaza ukuthi bangamanono like baclean nje abantu abayizithandayo. Yeah, because isokisimali imhlophe nje libamhlophe alibi dark.
Awuzwake. Ngisacela ukubuza ngoba mhlawumbe abantu uma bakubona la bazocaba ukuthi hayi ngathi awubaphathanga ozankosi namhlanje.
Hayi lutho namhlanje ngumuntu nje ozinodokiali nje ngenhliziyo enhle namhlanje awukho acrimony animosity commotion neDonny Brook yonke into nje i-right namhlanje.
Siyabonga isikhathi senu. Ngisacela can you please quickly take us through your outfit namhlanje njengoba ugqoke uconsa kanje ubani lokugqokisa ubemhle kanje?
Ngigqokiswe i-Immaculate Trends kanye ne-Craft for my Clash handbag for i-Craft. Yeah, in fact both of us nje sigqokiswe i-Immaculate Trends.
Oh okay, so uma mhlawumbe abantu bafisa ukuyibona bavele nje basearch igama leli njengoba ulibiza.
Yes, basearch igama Immaculate Trends ikhona ku Instagram na ku Facebook ikhona. Bayilandele kakhulu na ku TikTok ikhona Immaculate Trends.
Siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi senu. Sicela ukuthi nibe nosuku obumnandi namhlanje ne-enjoy ubusuku benu.
Siyabonga kakhulu too.
Such a man, it doesn't get any better than this. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you know him, but I want to just quickly give him the opportunity to introduce himself and tell us what is he doing here tonight. My good sir.
Mfana get you right.
Good.
Ngiyaphila. Thanks a lot for having me. My name is Stanley Cause, of course. Ngisemsakaza ngiyabroadcaster live kuma Satma Awards namhlanje. We're celebrating proudly indigenous South African music, having fun, making sure ukuthi we watch who has done better in 2024. So it's going to be the most amazing night. I'm looking forward to that.
Wow. So I know that you are obviously looking at all the performances that are going to be happening tonight, but do you have anyone specifically that you are looking forward to seeing performing tonight? Gumasatma Prasten.
Yabona lalela mfana, as the Vice President we Association of Independent Record Companies of South Africa, angikwazi ukuba nomuntu engibheke yena. Ngaqoshwa kusasa ekseni, but namhlanje I'm looking forward to all the artists who have given their life and their best in terms of talent in creating proudly indigenous South African music. And all I'm saying is that may the best one today take it home. And
man.
to each and everyone who was nominated, always remember a nomination is a win.
Yes.
You deserve better and continue to
Cheers.
do great music. I'll see you in 2025. But for this year,
Yeah.
I want to see today who takes the most awards.
Preston, any message to the young up-and-coming artists who would also like to see themselves making it up to such a big event as the SATMAS?
I think one of the message I can give to each and every person, young and old, the music business is not about money. It's about creating great quality music that touches and enriches life. If you can achieve that, money will follow you. If you want an example, it's not about school.
Yes.
Look at Big Zulu,
Cheers, man.
McLaren. Uthando lunye inkaba izoni.
Awuzwa-ke.
Maparula umkhathini.
Thank you for your time, Preston. Have yourself a wonderful evening. Siyabonga isikhathi sakho bhuti.
It's always a pleasure, my brother. Thank you so much for having me.
Ukuze lento iphumelele udinga ukuthi ume phezulu kwamahlombe ezikhondla khondla njengoba ningibona la ukuze lo mcimbi nubona ukuthi ube impumelelo la we've got one of the technical sponsors from Audi. Ladies and gentlemen, ngicela ukuthi ngibanikeze ithuba bas introduce basho ukuthi bahlangana kanjani nalo mcimbi esihlangane ngawo la namhlanje.
Sanibona, igama ngosithi kunene. I'm from Audi Center in Durban. We're official sponsors of today.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, njengoba sengishilo, as you can see in front next to me, I've got one of the technical sponsors. So what does it mean for you to see such a big event that is bringing actually everybody in South Africa, all cultures are actually coming together today, and to be also part of it as Audi Center?
It means a lot to us because culture is so important to our community, and music is one of the best way to preserve culture because it comes from one generation to another through songs.
Yes.
So some of the stories are not told through word of mouth or through books, but they are told through songs.
Yes.
So we believe as Audi that most of our customers are customers from different diverse communities, from colored community, from Indian community, and from African community. So we believe that whatever that our community does, because we are just here in Audi Center in Durban around the corner,
Yes.
we should be part of everything that is happening around the corner.
Wow, such a massive German company that is sponsoring this event today. How did you come about humbling yourself to come and uplift, especially young up-and-coming artists that are part of this event today? How did you come about making that decision to say, we also want to be part of this? What motivated that?
Okay, good afternoon all. I'm Reggie Lane. I'm the service manager out in Durban. Okay, so what we wanted to do is obviously be part of this SATMA Awards, all right? Because this is actually a big thing for us to sponsor. This gentleman actually came to us and said, "Listen, yeah, why don't we do something big? Put us on the map that we can obviously be in partnership with this specific big SATMA Awards." So we thought to help them,
Yes.
and obviously to be one of the where's those words? Sorry, man.
That is fine,
Yeah.
they'll fix that out. Yeah.
So we just wanted to partner up with this specific show, and obviously for future
Yes.
growth and stuff like that.
Wow, there's only one thing very special about Audi being part of this, because like he just mentioned that they want to see the future of the artists that are still trying to make it in this industry, even the ones that have already made it in this industry. But now in closing, what are you looking forward to seeing tonight? Do you have any specific performance that you're looking forward to seeing tonight as our one of our biggest sponsors in this prestigious event?
Yes, definitely. We're going to be representing the best Swati artists today. So we are looking forward to see who's going to win. We also don't know who's going to win as much as we are presenting, but we are looking forward for the specific award.
Say, how are you doing this evening?
Hey, I'm good, man. Hey, this gentleman, hey, prestigious. Yeah, but I'm good.
Sure. Can you please quickly introduce yourself and tell my beautiful viewers your role tonight in this event?
Sure. So I'm from SAMRO, which is the Southern African Music Rights Organization. My name is Karabo Sinna. My function there is as a general manager. And what we do as SAMRO is essentially license, radio stations, TV stations, any event, even the SATMAs, for example, and make sure that royalties actually get to the right hands, to those creatives that actually write this beautiful music that we enjoy.
Okay, so how do you feel as SAMRO when you see so many people coming together in South Africa, because we've got so many diverse cultures in South Africa and you are part of making sure it happens? How does that make you feel as such a big organization as SAMRO?
Yeah, so what actually drove us to be even a sponsor, because this year we are sponsoring in the SATMAs, is seeking to actually drive this type of content. From our side, we call it marginalized genres, where we do identify that there are certain genres where they are not mainstream, and we want them to be mainstream. So, putting, some effort behind this, we see it as something that will tomorrow enable radio stations, TV, and all common sort of like media platforms to actually broadcast this type of content, so that then tomorrow on we can make sure we pay royalties to traditional music artists, and that's what we want to do.
Wow, that's such a mouthful. Any specific message do you have for young up and coming artists, people in the media industry who also want to still try and make it from such big shoulders as SAMRO?
Yeah, so I would say that if you are a music creator, the first thing is that you need to be a member of SAMRO, right? There's a lot more benefits than just you earning royalties, from CSI projects to you actually even having what we call a retirement annuity. And you don't just get it anyway, but be a member of SAMRO and all these other key CMOs, because you are leaving money on the table if you are not a member of SAMRO. It's as simple as that.
Ladies and gentlemen, before I let him go, as you can see, he is looking ready. He understands the theme. Can you please take us through your outfit, sir?
Yeah, hey, this one, it's the wife that chose it. But it's more on the Tswana feel, obviously, right? So, you can see the shweshwe pattern. So we try to keep it clean, nothing complicated. Nice. And I mean, coming to Durban, it was like, it's hot. So, nothing with a blazer or jacket. So yeah, that was the look.
Wow, so before I let you go, I know you don't want to be biased, but any specific performance that you're looking forward to tonight?
Sure. So, often myself and the wife, we always look forward to the Tswana dancers. And I was at the nominations of the SATMAs.
At Freedom Park.
And at Freedom Park, And I think it's the Tswana dancers from University of Pretoria. So that's the performance that I'm looking forward to.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, sir, for your time, and have yourself a wonderful evening.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable MEC is standing right next to me, but people sometimes are struggling to believe these things when I tell them, MEC, because to being a little na baba bgelbe kasle tulapa Media Talk Class TV, who is introducer Wena official.
Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Khalirekwi Virginia Tlapi, the MEC of Arts, Culture, Sports and Recreation in the Northwest Province. I'm happy to be in KZN.
Wow, welcome to KZN. MEC, what does it feel for you to see so many diverse cultures coming together in South Africa, especially being brought together by this music industry?
I am so happy, I'm so excited to see the Black nation under one roof celebrating what they are best for. I am happy that the diverse culture brings us together, irrespective of the language that you are speaking. We are one. It means the music industry is taking our Black people very serious, and I'm happy to be here in the KZN just to come and learn and see the culture of the KZN, so that I can exchange that Tswana culture with KZN. I'm happy to be here.
Wow. Is there any specific performance that you're looking forward to tonight that will just make you feel like now you've arrived in the SATMAs?
Well, look, I love South African music. I would love to see each and every performance that will be here today. But I love jazz. And I'm happy that I'll be announcing jazz. Wow. Yes, I will be announcing jazz award, and I'm happy to be here. But generally, the South African music, as you know, is a music that heals. It's a music that builds, and I'm happy to be here with our South African artist.
Wow, MEC, before I let you go, any special message that you have for the young people in terms of preserving our cultures, making sure that our cultures don't die? Do you have any message for our young people out there?
Wow. Our young people must not forget where they come from. They must learn from their forefathers. They must learn from their parents. And I think today, as we gathered here, they must come and see and learn and make sure that the music of the South Africans are not dying. And you know that as Tswana, there are different ways that we can talk to each other. And this is one of them, by singing, by creating. And you know that Africans are so innovative and creative, and I would like to say to young people, they must be innovative. They must also assist us to make sure that our culture does not die.
To have you here in KZN MEC. So I'm just actually emphasizing to what you are saying, to say my name is Themba Zulu. How do you feel about me talking Setswana?
Wow, it's very rare. You know that you respect your culture. And I'm happy.
But only MEC, thank you so much for your time, and please have yourself a wonderful evening tonight.
Thank you very much. Let's enjoy our culture. Thank you so much.
Ngicela kubingelele ababukeli bethu beMedia Talk Class TV. Ngoba batshela ukuthi ubani lensizwe ngimenayo la. Ngiyazi ukuthi izengane kodwa ngicela ukuthi kusho yona ngomlomo wayo.
Mfowethu angibingelela abantu bemedia, abalaleli, ababukeli beMedia Talk Class TV. Uyazi phela njengabasakazi sesijwayele abalaleli thina kunababukeli. Nina njengabethuli ke beinhlelo ze-TV nijwayele ababukeli.
Yes. So mfowethu ngicela namanje futhi ngoba mina ngiyazi kodwa ngicela utshele wena ababukeli ukuthi ufunani la, ubekwa yini la namhlanje?
Mfowethu igama ngu-MC Sithera Ntezimnandi from i-Alex FM 89.1 Elevate Your Mind. Ngibekwa yini la? Ngibekwa ukunominatwa phela okwesibili, uzokhumbula unyaka odlule nginominatiwe la ngaphansi kwe-Best Traditional Music Community Radio Presenter. Best Traditional Music Community Radio Presenter okusho ukuthi umculo umethuli ngathini umsakazo ohamba phambili uma bekhulunywa ke ngomculo wesintu kuma-community radio stations.
Awuzwake umfowethu i-competition ime kanjani njengoba usho ukuthi now you are one of the nominated kule category? Uzizwa kanjani? How confident do you feel kule category o-nominated kuyo?
Ngicabanga ukuthi lokhu abamasathi mabasicabangelile mfowethu ngani ngoba ngokudlule sasu-12 kwi-category 1 kunzima kakhulu kuwina, kodwa ke umuntu wagcina engawinanga, kodwa simbongeleke uSidumza insizwe yathi yawina, siwina amahlandla amaningi. Sethemba kulokhu kuzovela umuntu omusha, siba u5 kulokhu, maningi amathuba ukuthi umuntu angabuya ehlabeni, kodwa insizwe ngibheke kakhulu ke ngale kwami angasawinanga. Ngibheke umkhaya kunsizwe yalapha na ke ngakithi kwaNongoma esebenzela kwesinye isiteshi ke somphathi engasibiza igama bayasazi abantu. Ngibheke kakhulu mangabe ngawinanga mina ongenani mangawina yona siyobe siwine sonke mfowethu.
Awuzwake mfowethu, before ngikudedela tonight this is the 19th edition yama-SATMA Awards. Is there any specific performance you are looking forward to mhlambe njengensizwa evela emsakazweni evamise ukuba involved kakhulu kwezomculo?
Ngibheke elikhulu mfowethu ngani ngoba baningi abaculi abasha abangenile kakhulukazi nje kulama-SATMA eshumi nesishagalolunye angowesi-19 mfowethu, kakhulukazi kwi-acapella kunamaciko alapha nema-university bekade nje ngwahostile kwi-interview elethwe ke insizwa uKeletso Mfowadlamini. Ngibheke kakhulu leya category acapella ngani ngoba mfowethu igqugquzela abaculi nabafundi ama-student ukuthi ayiveze ayishowcase phela i-talent lawo, ngani ngoba imfundo kubalulekile ukuthi ihambisane ne-talent, ngoba uma ingasakusebenzela imfundo i-talent fanele ikusebenzele.
Mfowethu, we wish you all of the best in your category. Sithemba ukuthi mase uyithethe ngale sophinda futhi sixoxisane nawe lokhuyana late. Sicela ukuthi u-enjoye ubusuku bakho.
Kanjani ngihawela kithi sibonga kakhulu kini ke njengabantu ke abasithulelayo ngathini abaqinisekisayo ukuthi bayasinaka, ngani ngoba mfowethu kunzima kakhulu la kwi-entertainment njengosaziwayo nje TV. Siyabonga kakhulu insizwa zakithi, niqhubeke njalo ningapheli moya.
akadinge introduction but yazini abantu ngeke bakholwe if kungasho mina ngomlomo wami ngicela ukuthi ngimnikeze ithuba as introduce asho ubani lentokazi enhle kanje emela eceleni kwami namhlanje.
Igama lami nguZabelo, ngithanda ukubingelela bonke ababukelayo njengamanje. nguZabelo Hlabisa, uMiss Earth South Africa.
Awuzachesa man, chesa wena man, ufikele ugalelekile namhlanje. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi usizwa kanjani ukuthi sihlangane abantu base South Africa namhlanje kulo mcimbi omkhulu kangaka ohlanganisa amasiko wethu bese wena uba ingcenye yawo.
Ngizizwa kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sibe la namhlanje, especially because manje abantu abaningi amasiko amaningi nama-tribe amaningi ahlanganela KwaZulu Natal, which means something for us thina ke njengama-host sizothi nje siyanamukela nonke labo bonke abakhona la namhlanje sithi njengazo sibangazizwa besekhaya. Obviously I know they're already feeling at home, but I'm happy ukuthi ke ama-awards this time ala KZN bese sabona eya kwezinye indawo, so kwabona esela ekhaya sithi nje we're very happy and we welcome everyone at KZN.
Wow, Sisabelo, siyazi ukuthi you are a very stylish person. We've seen you on your social media platforms, but there's one thing I like about you because you always uyawabonisa amasiko wethu, you are always uyasiqoka isiZulu. Imuphi mhlawumbe umlayezo ophethe in terms of preserving our culture as black people or mhlawumbe Zulus in this specific in terms of how you normally also represent them. Imuphi mhlawumbe umlayezo ongaphathela abantu abasha when it comes to things like those?
IsiZulu sithi inkunzi sematholeni. So ngiyathemba ukuthi ngakho konke thina esikwenzayo njenge-youth kumele ukuthi senze sure ukuthi asiwalahla amasiko ethu, senzela ne-future generation ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola lokho esikutholayo nathi esikunanelayo njengamanje okuyithelo zobabamkhulu. Njenganamhlanje njengoba ngigqoke kanje ngigqokisile mina, which is what it's a spiritual way because but say it's tradition and freedom. So ngafeel ukuthi okay, it's freedom since this is who I am and I'm a spiritual person. Let me just embrace that and it's part of culture and ngithi ngifundisa nabanye abantu abasho ukuthi mhlambe abanjengami ukuthi nabo bangazenyezi ngokubona nangemvelaphi yabo.
Waze wangihambela phambili because bengisathi ngisafuna can you please take us through i-outfit yakho because umuhle uyaconsa kodwa usuyichazile. Ngibona ubukeka njengengilosi njengoba bosasho ukuthi ihambisana ne-spiritual. Maybe do you want to elaborate further for someone who would like to understand ukuthi wow nayi ingilosi mephambi kwethu?
Yes, kakhulukazi ngisondelene kakhulu namanzi ne-nature. So ngithe unomkhubulwane would be something ekanjani. Ngase ngathi ke yazini ngajabula ukuthi ngigqoke something ehlukile kodwa futhi ephathelene ne-culture yethu. Ngase ngathi ke ngizofaka into emhlophe engelosi, ngase ngathi ngivale ngoba ngivalile kanje and then put something blue. Kodwa omunye umuntu bangabe ibuka ngathi it's an Egyptian something like Cleopatra. So ngase ngathi ke njenge unomkhubulwane is royalty. So why don't I look like her?
Wow. Okay, so Sisabelo, any particular performance you are looking forward to tonight, and do you have anyone ongamhinta ukuthi hayi le yangicabanga ukuthi ayithatha le yandondo le yana?
Well, I support everyone ozobe khona namhlanje. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu ula khona ngoba kufanele ukuthi abe khona. So may the best win.